The XV-15 Tiltrotor represents one of the most versatile research aircraft coming out of aeronautical development today. The plane's unique feature is that it can set its rotors at any position from full upright helicopter mode to nearly 90 degrees forward, much like that of a conventional turboprop. The quiet performance of the tiltrotor combines the ability to take off and land like a helicopter with the speed, payload capacity, and range of a fixed-wing airplane. Initially conceived in the late 1970s, the tiltrotor represents a combined effort by NASA Ames Research Center, the U.S. Army, and Bell Helicopter Textron. The Defense Department is planning to purchase a larger version of this plane called the JVX. The XV-15 tiltrotor was unveiled recently to an audience in Washington, D.C. after flying a commuter test hop from Tiltrotor, New Jersey. Here you can follow the tiltrotor as it takes a tour of the nation's capital. Civil applications range from servicing offshore oil rigs to intercity transports. NASA's John Ward explains.
Early on, the first opportunity would be a corporate application for a high-speed corporate helicopter or rotorcraft. It can go beyond that very naturally to commuter applications where you would use the vehicle at the 30 to 40 passenger size to apply to the intercity or regional to hub airport transportation system. The tiltrotor has a perfect application where you can haul very large loads over long range, high speed without developing large airports.
The XV-15, NASA technology working for greater speed, efficiency, safety, and versatility in aeronautics.